Oh no, what happened?
Kind of. Right, we're on round 2.
Jesus. What's up? It's me, Adam, going camping again with Haley and Aster. We're going to Vogel State Park, and we're meeting our. Geez, Aster. We're meeting our friends Eddie and Kaitlyn there, Gomi and Belle, the 3 dogs back together. Aster's been in my lap for the last 2 hours, and tomorrow we're gonna go on a big 13-mile hike. So, yeah, should be a good time. She's on my lap! Ah! Ow! Oh, she's farting! Ow, Aster! Ah!
God, you are so ouch! Oh my god!
The whole lake is drained. It's kind of crazy. Looks like just got Aster in the back of the car. Haley checked us in at the place. They said there's been 60 instances of aggressive black bear activity in this park, in this area in the last couple weeks.
Not aggressive. The park ranger said a mama bear brought down her 3 cubs to show off, that he wasn't here to see it.
Aggressive.
No.
We're trying to find our campsite, but we don't know where we are. It's a nice campground. Aster, no! It's your friends!
Woo!
We made it!
Go USA!
We may have scored another goal.
Aster's back with her friends. All right, well, we made it to our campsite. We're gonna watch the soccer game for a little bit and let the dogs hang out. Tomorrow we're doing a big 13-mile hike. And I think Haley and Kaitlyn are gonna go to a winery, so just gonna hang out for a little bit, watch the game. Hopefully USA wins.
Have like very
USA.
important. So I think this would block the sound. And then like have the AC was so nice.
Aster! Yay! Aster, what are you doing in here?
I did this whole thing, this whole space.
What are you doing?
Here, remember when this was like the medicine?
It's not done, but
You redid all that?
yeah.
That looks good.
Thanks.
USA won the game. We're gonna go on a walk, explore the campground, come back and cook some pizza. Oh. This is our site, but we might just camp down there with them. Oh. Nice campground. Big trees. Looking for bears. She need help. Help her.
Is she looking at you?
Oh. Nice little hike right behind camp. Just did 2 quick miles. Gonna go home and go back to the campsite, set up the tent, cook up some pizzas, And tomorrow Eddie and I are doing a big 13-mile hike, so gotta relax, get ready for that. It's gonna be tough. Park ranger said it was hard. Also said 60 bear interactions in the last 6 weeks here, so they're out and about. Whoa. He's got a stick. Ed's setting up his pizza oven. Propane pizza. How long does it take to heat up?
About 45 minutes. Should be ready to go. And then I'll cook the pizza in about 1 to 3 minutes.
There she goes. In the meantime, we're gonna go set up our tent. There's Eddie and Kaitlyn right down here. We're gonna set up our spot right in front of the old bathrooms. Sideways.
About to chop up some firewood.
Came back down here, Eddie's got a chainsaw out. No safety glasses.
Put your foot right here.
No. Wow, look at that. All right,
So-
Chef Eddie, go ahead.
So normally this will make 4 12-inch doughs. Over here we have pepperoni. We have some salami. There's already ants everywhere. Gotta get the ants off of it. Oh, we can do a lot more than pepperoni. Pepperoni, salami.
What's that?
It's olive oil.
Olive oil.
Spread it around on the pizza. I don't know why this one has so many holes. All right, can you start opening stuff?
Get it on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go fast with this one.
Pepperoni.
The gorgonzola will be good on this one. And then fresh basil.
Well, that looks pretty good.
Sort of.
Put her in. Insert.
See how it goes.
Get off. Oh yeah. So why you keep moving it around?
Because I think there's a hole in the middle of it.
In the center of it.
Yeah.
Basil.
Yeah, put some basil on it.
She's cooking. Oh no, what happened?
The whole center ripped out of it.
Oh no. Let's take a look. You got 2 more tries, Ed. What's on round 2, Ed?
Well, I guess we're doing some salami, some goat cheese, mozzarella, of course, some red onion, and arugula.
Ooh, look at that.
Little guy looking good though.
Round 2,
do
looking
you want,
better.
Haley?
Round
Just gotta-
3's got holes. That's it? That's the pizza?
Yep, it got messed up.
That thing's a little dink. That thing looks like a Lunchable.
Should have made more doughs.
Oh, it's on fire.
Normally enough. I feel like
Oh my
that
god.
one's the saddest pizza I think I've ever seen in my entire life.
Last pizza. Looks good. A little small. We're gonna put some on this bread here too now.
Yeah, we're gonna
Be good. I grew this tomato and I made this bread.
That's out.
Oh no, Ed.
You put one on there already?
Yeah.
It's probably. When did you put that on there?
Just right now.
You should have left it on this.
Oh shit. Oh no. Well, get it off now. Get it off now.
It'll catch on fire.
Woo.
You need to know what you want on your thing.
You're my sweet wife.
Goat cheese.
Big belly.
Okay, stop.
Like a.
Do you want onion on yours, Haley?
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's cooking it up. Look at that right there. Oh, back in.
Yes, us people use plates.
They came out pretty good.
Yeah, no, you're
Oh, good morning. It's about 7:30. Gotta get up, go eat, and get on this 13-mile hike. They leave those bathroom lights on all night. Don't okay. Okay, today Eddie and I are gonna complete part of the Georgia AT from our last video that we did together a couple years ago. Today we're starting at Woody Gap where we ended last time. We're taking the Appalachian Trail up Blood Mountain, 13 miles, and it should end right here in Vogel State Park. We might have to take a little offshoot to get back here, but Haley and Kaitlyn are gonna come until they get tired, and they're gonna turn around and go to a winery, and I'll either send Aster back with them or take her with me. We'll see how she does. Last time she did a 6-mile hike, she threw up. Go get him. She's here. Making sandwiches.
Kaitlyn, did you pack the banana peppers?
All I got for 13 miles. Look at that hog of a sandwich. That's huge.
scary.
Okay, everyone's loading up. Aster wants in too. Get everybody in. Look at how many people.
For a 13-mile hike.
Yeah.
And look, we can listen to Noah Khan on CD.
Oh no.
Cheers.
I wonder if Blake Winfield's got his drink. Hey, no, you can lay on me.
Aster.
Yeah, I think I could live like that. Yeah, because that's really it. It's like the fresh stuff. And if you have that.
Oh, she done. Shh. That's where we stopped our last hike, right over there. Now we're gonna go that way. Vogel.
Yep, there's Vogel.
So we need to get from here to here today.
Yeah, so basically we're going do, and then we turn here.
So we just
We're
turn
going
on.
this
We just
way.
turn left on Slaughter Gap, and we follow that to Vogel.
Yep, to Slaughter Gap. We're starting here at Woody Gap. First little other gap we're gonna hit is Jared Gap. We're gonna hike into Blood Mountain, and then over to Vogel State Park where we're camped.
Good.
About 2 miles in, Haley and Kaitlyn are still with us. Aster's being terrible and tugging, trying to get to the front, and it's miserable. Those are all blackberry. It's no surprise there's so many bears out here. A bunch of native azaleas blooming. It's really pretty back here when Aster's not tugging and trying to break my ankles. Yeah, I'd get it right off that waterfall. Okay, Haley and Kaitlyn are going to the winery, and unfortunately Aster's coming with me, and we're gonna hike 10 more miles.
We're gonna go sip
some wine.
You're gonna start your video?
Oh yeah, we gotta start.
We gotta start our video.
We'll show you the girls' adventure too. Okay, bye.
Bye, Eddie.
Bye guys, see you at camp.
We're leaving.
little baby.
They're going onward.
All right, here we go. Bye, babe.
Give a good goodbye kiss. It might be the last time.
See you never again. Don't die.
Girls are gone. 10 miles. Oh, a little sandwich break. Aster, you want a sandwich? She just ate all the meat off mine. All right, nice little lunch break at this campsite we found. 10 miles from here and then, 10 miles from here. So here we go. Aster's ready to go. This will be the biggest hike she's ever done.
You think you can do it?
Feels good. Going back up. Whew.
We've left the boys, and we're stopping for a quick sandwich break.
Yep. Yeah, we've been running. Now that the guys are gone.
Yeah, they were slowing us down. I gotta change out my knee brace because this one's hurting.
Oh, it started. It's going? Okay.
Yeah. You can see here the wild cricket of Red Blood Mountain. It's not focusing. Belle finally took a dump, and I'm a good person and didn't leave it. So now I have to listen to it flapping around. Woo, 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 woo. That's probably good, yeah. All right, cut that last one out.
Okay. Yeah, that one didn't work.
Belle tripped.
Yeah!
We did it!
Some rocks sitting right in there, probably Bigfoot. I think we're at about 5 miles. 8.5 left. Two little bowls cut out right there look like ape nests, maybe little Bigfoot dens. I've seen a lot of rocks misplaced on top of logs and snap branches angling towards the trail unnaturally. Could be a possible sign of Sasquatch. All right, well, we just hit 6 miles and we're making about 20 minutes a mile right now, so we're cooking with gas. We got 7 miles left, and then we'll be back at the campground. We're just hiking straight there. I don't know what Haley and Kaitlyn are doing. Probably drinking wine, having a big old time.
Listening to Noah Khan, finishing the rest of our sandwiches. Going to the winery, gonna get a little drunk. We deserve it. She's a tired girl. It's a lot of hiking for her. All right, we made it to the winery.
Yay! Time to drink some wine.
Belle's ready. Yay! How's it going? All right, we made it. The winery is so pretty.
We each got got our little flight.
We got our flights. Belle's here. She's chilling. We got live music. We're gonna have fun.
Yummy. Okay, the Jeep people are here. The Jeeps aren't even cool. There's a lizard. You're definitely not going to be able to see that. Sorry, you're going to have to cut this shot. All right, we're on round 2. And look, we got Poo Poo. She got her own chair now. It's good, nice and frozen. Feels so good after that hike. Fruit forward. All right, we're on glass number 3. Salud. Okay, bye.
Oh, getting hot. Officially halfway. Kind of wishing I was at the winery right about now. Mid-hike beer break. That is good. A bear? Eddie thinks he hears a bear in the woods. I don't think so. Should be coming up on the summit of Blood Mountain in about 2 miles. Incline's really kicking in. A lot of dead trees in here. Yeah, look, all those are dead. About 1.5 miles out from Blood Mountain, we think we can see the peak through the trees here.
Yeah, right about now, wishing we had a nice tall glass of wine, some cheese, some meats, charcuteries. Be really nice.
Go. Okay, run back.
Azaleas. That way's the summit to Blood Mountain. We need to go that way. We don't know how far the summit is. We've got 7 miles left still.
Yeah.
Maybe we do go right, and then it looks like up here we turn instead of summiting.
Just passed by 2 little 6 to 8-year-olds with walkie-talkies. No parents around. They said they were okay. I told them to remember what fork of the trail to go back up. A lot of azaleas. It's like an azalea hallway. Definitely higher elevation. The azalea blooms are hanging on longer. I think we're at what, 10 miles? We passed those kids' parents. They were talking to them on the walkie-talkie, so they're about a half mile away from the kids. Oh. Well, we're accidentally halfway up the summit, so we'll just go ahead and do that and then head back to camp, which is just a nice 5-mile jaunt. Up high in the Mountain Laurel Forest here. Girls might be back at the campsite by now.
Me after 3 glasses of wine. Mwah! Whee! Yay, we had fun. More fun than the boys.
Yeah, it was way better than hiking another 10 miles.
We rule, boys drool.
There's a Jeep show going on. What we're really wanting to film is this hog. Come down and eat my hog! Oh, Belle doesn't like it. Oh no, she's scared. There you go. Go. You're gonna be alcohol one day in someone's belly.
Enter here.
Oh yeah, we made it. All the way to the top. I don't think you should go in there, Aster. Made it to top Blood Mountain. The Blood Mountain view. All right, officially starting the trek back to camp. 4 miles, 5 miles, something like that. Scrambling. Oh. Oh. Whoa, nice. 4 legs is a lot better for this than 2. Ooh. We could sleep in here. Drop the hammer. Been moving for 4.5 hours. We're at 10 miles. I think we've got about 4 left to camp, maybe 3. Hello?
Hello.
Hi. Are you at the winery?
Yeah, we are.
We already are at the top. We've got 4 miles left.
Yeah, you guys be back by the time we get back.
Okay, when is that?
Probably an hour and a half, 2 hours max.
All right, we're about to leave, go meet up with the boys. Look at this bug. It's like a grasshopper, not grasshopper.
She's going back to get Wi-Fi so we can get directions. So we don't get lost.
With a coexistence sticker on.
God, 4 miles of bushwhack. Oh, he fell over. About 4 miles of bushwhacking. Jesus, Lord mercy. This is where you run into a bear. Jeez, look at that. God, look at the size of these ferns. Huge. This is definitely where the bears are. God. Oh, jeez, we're bushwhacking for sure. Good Lord. 2.5-ish more miles. They'll pull us up right at our campsite. Hopefully girls are there with cold beers. What do you hear, Aster?
Be a bear right in front of us.
Eddie and I both just agreed that fern area is our favorite part of the hike. Whoa, Jesus! Went right over. God. Just wiped out. Whew, gotta be pretty close now. Definitely starting to feel it a little bit. Oh. That bird? Wow, look at that waterfall up in there. Oh, wow. Everybody's climbing up. Good. Oh, Aster. Jesus. Easy. Getting close, getting close. I think we're at 13 miles. Man, we got some blow down here. You okay, Aster? Go on. Oh my God.
Looks like a couple of big trees fell and took a bunch out with it.
Yeah. Woo! Don't go in there. Oh, you idiots.
That's the wilderness trail.
All right, we've just about completed the trail. We're back where we were yesterday, just on the little jaunt around the campground. So we're back in the campground. Did about 13 miles, 2,500 feet gain in around 6 hours, so pretty good. Now it's time for some beer, and what are we eating? Chicken pad thai?
Feet are a little heavy, but fun day.
We made it back. Somehow we hiked 13 miles and still beat Haley and Kaitlyn back. Moment of truth, if we can get beer or not. No, it's locked. We're gonna have to be waiting.
All right, we're taking a pit stop. Adam needs some beer, so I guess we're gonna stop. Oh yeah, we should get some firewood. And they say they have world famous bowl peanuts, so obviously, oh my God, a Bigfoot. Bigfoot's here. Ding 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 ding. We just listened to Dan.
I'm gonna crouch the car into the woods.
We're back at the campsite, but we're crying. At least I have my emotional support, boiled peanuts.
Update, amazing news. Eddie somehow hacked his keyboard to get into his driver's seat, which has a secondary key to the camper, which has ice cold Miller Lights in it.
Get the book.
Wow, I got the book, the lyric book. You should pack all your shit up. Oh my God, they're back. They walked out. Oh, you know.
Well, look who's back.
We're back. We've been reconnected. Look.
What's in there? Are you eating boiled peanuts?
Peanuts. Take some.
Do I eat the shell?
No.
No.
Have you never had bowl peanuts before? Oh, he doesn't like my emotional support bowl peanuts.
Belle is so tired from the brewery. She's so tired.
Food truck and was like, "Is that English Sprayer Spaniel?" And we were like,
Oh, my dog busted out and was like,
All right, gonna cook up a little chicken pad thai for dinner on the walk. This is the worst knife I've ever used in my life. No, I'll probably just cut myself. I grew this zucchini.
Where's that eye?
It's pretty big.
I guess kind of in the context of what you just said.
I grew this zucchini myself. It's the size of my head. What are you doing now? Why are you cutting another jalapeno?
it's been hot.
I need to use the cutting board. All right, let's cut
When are we
this.
showering? Are we showering after dinner?
Stop talking about all this with my GoPro going. I'm trying to cut up my zucchini.
Oh, we gotta be quiet.
That's my zucchini.
We're in the outdoor mode. Look, the sun is in.
Really bad.
Oh, we have limes too. That'll be really good. Okay.
Here you go, Ed. Kind of flip it over and over.
Add a little bit of lime.
I think this is gonna be pretty good. We got a lot of veggies.
Uh-oh, I dropped a little plastic in there. Fettuccine pad thai.
Is that on the announcement?
Oh my.
Should we watch a scary movie?
Yes. I was like, that sounds awesome.
No. I don't want to get that. Or we could just like play a game and talk to each other.
Look, pad thai was delicious. Probably one of the best camping meals I've ever had. Gonna hang out by the fire, take a shower, and go to bed. Might play some games, watch some sports, but anyway, see you tomorrow.
Back in 2014, I began work on a 10-part documentary series on the subject of Bigfoot.
Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. We're gonna go cook some bacon and get out of here. I did not sleep at all. The bathroom was blasting all night long again. All right, we gotta go down there and get the car, bring it back up here, pack everything up. But first we're gonna go get coffee and cook up some bacon. Then we gotta get out of here.
Tommy.
No, Aster. Time to break down camp and get the out of here. Gonna take the tent down, had to take a pit stop because Aster had a bunch of ticks on her, and then she got nervous and her butthole popped, and I had to wash her butt off, so.
Plant.
Aster's farting.
Ah, she does good, Miss Belle. Aster, look at how good Miss Belle be.
That's nice, way better. They're actually from California.
Oh,
My God.
No good. Oop.
I'm not eating that. That one's
That
okay.
one's fine.
Oh yeah. Bacon grease. Yeah, take.
1 egg. Oh, I saw a shell. It's 12 eggs? Doesn't look like that many eggs. Oh, Ed, no! There's the slop. Mmm! All right, we're heading out of here. Ate our bacon up. Might go drive some dirt roads, look for bears, but we'll end the video here, so thanks for watching. See you next time.